Here are 7 simple rules for a healthy gut that are easy to incorporate into your daily life. 1. Eat more fiber. Why? Fiber feeds your good gut bacteria and promotes regular bowel movements. How? Include foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. 2. Diversify your diet. Why? A varied diet helps support a diverse gut microbiome, which is linked to better health. How? Rotate the fruits, vegetables, grains, and protein sources you eat each week. 3. Limit sugar and processed foods. Why? These can feed harmful bacteria and yeast in your gut. How? Cut down on soda, sweets, fast food, and packaged snacks. 4. Include fermented foods. Why? They naturally contain probiotics that support good gut bacteria. How? Try yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, or kombucha. 5. Stay hydrated. Why? Water helps food move through the digestive tract and supports gut lining health. How? Aim for at least 8 cups of water daily, more if you're active. 6. Manage stress. Why? Chronic stress can harm your gut microbiome and increase gut inflammation. How? Practice mindfulness, deep breathing, journaling, or gentle exercise like yoga. 7. Get enough sleep. Why? Poor sleep disrupts the gut-brain axis and can alter your microbiome. How? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, and keep a consistent sleep schedule. Thank you for watching.